Hello, I'm here in the Jimmy Roberts exhibition. The activity I've got for you is based on this piece of art behind me. Jimmy has drawn on the back of a photograph. He's then cut through the paper and folded parts of this over, so you can see bits of both images on one side. All you're going to need for this is a pair of scissors, we hope you've got some of these at home, and this materials pack that you can get from us. Let's rip it open and see what's inside. Oh, okay, I've got some paper, some A4 pieces. There's a bit of Jimmy, there's some coloured paper, some smaller pieces, some coloured cellophane, a piece of mirror, some pencil crayons and a pencil, and some glue. Jimmy likes to put himself in the picture. So on the back of this sheet with Jimmy, you're going to have a go at drawing either yourself or someone in your family, or get them to draw you. Have a go at a few poses till you find one that you're happy with. So on the back of the Jimmy image, get your pencil, draw your family member as big as you can. Then you need to decide which side you're going to decorate in pencil and which side you're going to decorate in coloured crayon. I'm going to use felt tips today because you can see them better on the camera. Have a go at doing lots and lots of patterns and different kinds of shading. When you're happy with one side that you've used colour on, turn it over and just use pencil for your patterns. Okay, now you need to decide which side is going to be your front, which side is going to be your back, and this is where you might need an adult to help you. We're going to cut through the page. So this is where you lift it up, pinch it together and cut. Do that in about 3 places, and then have a go at folding through so you can see the back picture on the front side. Okay, when you're happy with those, stick them down. Now try your design on our coloured sheet in the background and see what shapes you get coming through. So I can see triangles. You could also go crazy with your felt tips or crayons on this blank piece of paper and put that behind to give you different triangles. I'm happy with this yellow sheet, I'm going to stick that down. Now with your other pieces of coloured paper or cellophane, you're going to cut triangle shapes out to add to your design. Arrange them on your picture, so parts of your drawing are hidden and parts of your drawing are revealed. And then stick them down when you're happy. When you've finished your design, you can use your mirrored plastic to get lots of interesting geometrical shapes and different reflections going on. This isn't your finished piece. One of the things we noticed in Jimmy's work is how he plays with the body and bits that are hidden and revealed and reflection. So use your mirror, place it around your picture, look at the different patterns, the colours, the light, shadow and reflection that you can capture. When you're really happy with your picture and your angle of your mirror, take a photo. When you've taken your photo of the reflection, share it with us. We'd love to see what you've done.